An attractive option for property investors to build wealth is here in South Australia. Compared to other investment destinations, SA's overall potential and low risk factor make it very appealing to those wanting to build capital growth and rental yields. With its low setup and operating costs, low employment figures and enviable low-cost lifestyle, our state is a property investor safe haven. The market here is proven, with immigrants constantly boosting our annual population figures, along with millions of holidaymakers adding to the demand for rentals. The overall stability of the property market, lower cost of living and favourable exchange rates inspires confidence in SA property investment. While all property markets fluctuate, the overall climate in South Australia is good for investors looking for solid financial gains. Adelaide is building capital growth and rental yields, with a high demand for properties, particularly those close to the inner city and coastal areas, which are consistently reliable performers. The SA market lends itself well to buy-to-let and buy-to-hold strategies. The potential for returns on investment is high, and our reasonable tax structure, including fixed stamp duty and no inheritance tax, is another incentive to invest in property here. By securing a property off the plan at today's price, investors can acquire instant equity in the time it takes to build. Not only are there lucrative tax breaks, but lower maintenance costs, as a new property off plan requires less upkeep. Rental returns in Adelaide are very strong, with low vacancy rates and high reletting rates in all of South Australia's growth corridors. More investors than ever before are needed to ease the rental shortage. And with the potential of growth and strong rental returns, it's a great time to build your wealth in South Australia.